What are the most commonly occurring elements? Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Waters stick to other surfaces through adhesion. Thermal properties: specific heat, the energy it takes to raise 1 gram of a substance 1 degree Celsius. It also has the ability to reset temperature. Cohesion, strength, surface tension which allows small organisms to move on water. Solvent properties, universal solvent, water dissolves nutrients and function as a transfer medium. Example: blood. Transparency, allows for plants underwater to get solar energy from the sun in order to perform photosynthesis. What is organic? A molecule that is made of carbon that is bonded with other elements. What type of bonds form the secondary structure? Hydrogen bonds. What type of bonds form the tertiary level of proteins? Hydrogen ionic disulfide. What type of bonds form the tertiary level of proteins? Hydrogen ionic disulfide bridge and polar bonds. How many subunits make up the quaternary structure of proteins? 2 or more. What type of hold holds the hydrogen and oxygen together within a water molecule? Covalent bond. What is an enzyme? A protein with catalytic properties due to its power of specific activation. Substrate, substances on which enzymes can act. Products, a diverse category of products and are generally large, complex molecules. What is an active site? The part of the enzyme where the substrate binds. Anabolic reactions. In anabolic reaction, enzymes bring the substrate molecules together. Anabolic reactions. In anabolic reaction, enzymes bring the substrate molecules together. Catabolic reaction. The enzyme active site affects the bonds in substrates so they are easier to break. Lock and key hypothesis. Lock and key hypothesis assumes the active site of an enzyme is rigid in its shape. Induced fit hypothesis suggests the active site is flexible and only assumes its catalytic conformation after the substrate molecules bind to the site. Competitive inhibition. Resemble the substrate and fight for the active site of the enzyme. Non-competitive inhibitor. Do not resemble the substrate and do not fight the active site. Instead, they bind to another part of the enzyme, causing the enzyme to shape its shape and alter the active site. What environmental factors affect enzymes? What? Temperature, pH, and ion concentration.